Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, welcome to our foodie world where I bring you simple, relatable, homemade news. We are back again with another video, and this year I promised you guys that I'll stop being a homebody and I'll be out more often. I mean, there's been so many festivals around food. We've had Jollof festivals, we've had Kenke parties, we've had Wache summits. Today, guess what? We are at Akple Festivals, and you know I'm Botarian, and Akple is my favorite food. So follow me and let's see what's happening inside. Akple or Ewakple is a staple food in the Volta region of Ghana. Some parts of Togo also eat this dish. It is made out of corn flour or dry corn that has been blended into fine flour. Don't worry, I'll be sharing the recipe on the channel pretty soon. We usually eat this with fetri toto or okra that has been blended in an earthenware pot. We also eat it with pepper or okra soup or okra stew. Usually we like to pair it with fish like anchovies or kita schoolboys as you all call it, 1000, smoked mackerel, akpakalami, or tiny tilapia fried fish. It's really delicious. The Akple Festival had a really good turnout. There were lots of brands, local Ghanaian brands, and there were a lot of games to play, lots of live band music, lots of food to eat, and socialization and networking. I really enjoyed myself. Are you enjoying yourself?
I am. I'm enjoying myself, having fun. You know, I just be taking some akple with green. That is okra, ademe, and then the fish I use salmon, crab, what again? Shrimps.
You guys, we are at Akple Festival. If you are not here, then I really missing out.
3 balls. 1 ball. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner. Hey, it's a tie. Oh, wait, it's a tie. Sorry, it's a tie. It's a tie. It's a tie. It's a tie. We'll go again. Timer. Are you ready? Let's have a keep on playing through. Let's have a keep on playing through. All right,
will go gay. Queen Elizabeth and Prince Philip will be here at a special day. We drink and we dance the whole day, and we put on Kente Fine on the 12th November 1959. Make a bless this fantastic. Come on, let's do it. Ghana will go gay. Fellow Ghanaian. Prince Elizabeth, we love you. Original Ghana moment. We are live at the Akple Festival. We witness a coronation to Canada, and then Nigeria she brought jubilation. Now you hear a drum and stomping on the mighty phantom from. Their queen has come alive to Ghana. From United Kingdom. Big up this fantastic. When no Ghana will go gay. Prince Elizabeth, we love you. Shout out to the other 100 So this is the day 5 million Ghanaians will go gay. Queen Elizabeth and Prince Philip will be here at a special day.